Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kyla Danielle back. I'm back with another video. Every time I try and record a video, I'm either sick, I don't feel good, my voice don't sound right. But you know what? New year, new me. Do y'all hear? Like, I woke up this morning with a little tick in my throat and it was sore, and I was like, not again, come on. I'm just trying to be great this year, 2019. I'm just trying to be great, you feel me? But whatever, we just gonna get into the video. So as you can tell by the title, today is how you melt your lace into your skin, sis. I mean, you want people to look at your lace wig, your closure wig, and be like, is that yours? Is that your hair growing out of your scalp? You feel me? Alright. So, if you want to see how I slayed and melted this lace into my skin and got it to look like this. Then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the Got To Be Glued Free Spray to lay down the cap. Again, sorry for my voice. I'm still sick, but hey, I'm trying to get this content out, so we finna make it shake. So you're just going to spray the Got To Be Glued Free Spray around the perimeter of your hair. And I also have a trick. I know wig caps tend to roll up, but if you cut a hole right where your ears are, just watch. So you see how I'm putting that hole right around my ear? If you see, it'll hold that edge down to where your wig cap won't roll up. Your girl's a little trick. Go ahead and use it. Just go do that to the other side. And then what I like to do is I like to grab that free spray again and spray that little edge and hold it down just to make sure that it's secure and it's not gonna go nowhere. After you let it dry, you're gonna cut around the perimeter of your hair where the wig cap is. You're basically making a bald cap for yourself. You're basically making a new scalp. Put it that way. You're basically making a new scalp. And I actually like to cut a little bit further away from my hairline because, baby, I want to keep my edges. So, but you cut as close to your edges as you want. And then just to lay down the little, I don't want to call them fuzzies, but the little pieces that are sticking up, I'm going to use that free spray again, spray it on there, and just press them down so it can really like melt into my skin. Next, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy blow dryer and just speed the process up because y'all, I am impatient and dry it. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab a powder, a foundation that's close to your skin color. Excuse me, y'all. That's close to y'all's skin color, and you just want to apply the product to the cap. And this is what helps make the wig look natural. I cannot talk, y'all. And honestly, if you just want to put it where your part is at and not do the whole wig cap, then that's fine too. But since I'm wearing a frontal and, you know, the wind could blow a certain way, I want to do it all over. So now we're going to use the Ghost Bond glue. This is my first time using it. And we're just going to put dots around the perimeter of the wig cap. Like so. And y'all, the Ghost Bond glue, it got really sticky like really quick. I was like, okay, Ghost Bond, I see what you're doing. Then I just grabbed a popsicle stick and I'm just gonna spread out that layer just so it can dry thinner and not bulky like in those little chunks that I applied it with. And we're just gonna let that dry, girl. Now this is the second layer. As you can see, got my little two up. And just gonna do the same motion that I did before. Just gonna apply it around the perimeter and let it dry. And my wig has an elastic band that I sewed on it. It's actually a headband, but it helps my wig stay flatter. And if y'all want to see a tutorial on that, on how to apply an elastic band to your lace frontal wig, then just let me know. And now I'm actually cutting you know how the wig cap was connected to my ears? I'm actually cutting that little piece, so now that piece will just lay flat. I waited this long just to make sure that the piece was dried and down so it'd be stuck down to my head. Cause that little piece right there, it'll roll up and it's annoying. So now we're just gonna place and position the lace on my head. This part for me takes the longest because I want to make sure it's positioned right, because I don't know, I'm just like a perfectionist, I feel. Now I'm just using an astringent to clean up the like little sticky residue that's left on my forehead, or you can use alcohol, either or, it doesn't really matter. Or you can use a washcloth with hot water, but the alcohol to me, it doesn't lift up the lace, so I would recommend that for sure. Just gonna clean that right on up. Now I'm just going to use my spray bottle with just water in it and just bring life back to the hair. Got my denim brush, and I'm also flattening out the part. Now, my favorite part, we are doing baby hairs. Now, some people don't like baby hairs. Now, look. If you don't like baby hairs, you ain't got to do them, okay? But me, I like to do a little swoop, so we just gonna swoop it on, swoop, okay? And like I said, baby hairs are your preference, so if you don't like them, you're not messing with them, then, you know, you can just skip this part. But don't knock the ones that like it, okay? Now we're just gonna tie that down and secure those baby hairs, secure the wig. This really seals the deal. And I usually wear my scarf on for like 5 to 10 minutes, just really depending. Sometimes I get my dryer to speed up the process. I'm telling y'all, I'm really impatient. I just be like, come on, let's get it. Come on, time's the ticking. Neil, ooh. What lace? What lace? What lace is? Huh? What lace? Oh, okay. Ooh, y'all, and honestly, that's it. That's it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Get you a little glue, get you a little wig, slap it on your head, position it, tie it down, and you fine. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.